I found a quiet place above the valley, where the morning mist rolls through the trees. No crowds, no noise, no expectations, just the mountain wind and me. The roads below keep carrying people, all chasing dreams they cannot hold. But up here time moves a little slower, and the stories never grow old. I'm alone in the Smoky Mountains of Tennessee, with the clouds drifting by like memories. The world feels far away tonight, just the stars, the hills, and me. I'm alone in the Smoky Mountains of Tennessee, where the silence speaks more honestly, and every breath of mountain air feels like freedom calling me. The sun sinks low behind the ridges, painting gold across the sky. I sit and watch the shadows lengthen as another day goes by. I've traveled roads across the country, seen cities bright as neon flames, but nothing ever calms the soul quite like these ancient mountain ranges. I'm alone in the Smoky Mountains of Tennessee, with the clouds drifting by like memories. The world feels far away tonight, just the stars, the hills, and me. I'm alone in the Smoky Mountains of Tennessee, where the silence speaks more honestly, and every breath of mountain air feels like freedom calling me. Here looking for answers, maybe I came here just to breathe. Maybe the mountains don't have solutions, but they remind me to believe that there's more to life than rushing, more than schedule, screens, and noise. Sometimes all a man really needs is a mountain and a choice. I'm alone in the Smoky Mountains of Tennessee, but somehow I don't feel lonely. The wind, the sky, the forest pines feel like old friends around me. I'm alone in the Smoky Mountains of Tennessee, watching the last light leave the peaks, and for a moment in this wild old world, I finally feel at peace. The mist will rise tomorrow morning, the roads will call me on again. But tonight beneath these mountain stars, I'm exactly where I am.